feel look enjoyment, you know. You understand? So basically, nothing can change my mind or we want to get fed up because of something we love. Because as I say again, I don't smoke, I don't drink. This is look enjoyment.
876 Streets is powered by.
Hi Bossy D, how are you doing today?
Good, you know, even though I don't really get to make it great, you know, but I still feel good, you know? Yeah.
Can you describe some of your most memorable moments here at Drag Rivals?
Well, time I come here, you know, I always feel good, you know, and, you know, even though some of the time I don't really get to run, but I still enjoy myself, same way. But the greatest part of it, nothing really wrong with my car. So you don't know, we have an next. So every time we come, we always try to go back and try to do better and better and better and better. You understand? Yeah. So.
Do you have any advice for anyone interested in pursuing motorsports?
You know, it's a nice sport, you know, but you know, it could be very expensive. So, you know, like you look, man, we just start out, you know, like 15 seconds. Cause you know, you have to start from somewhere to enjoy yourself till you reach where you want to go and sit. So you kind of. Once a man, you know, can come out and enjoy himself and see how you understand me? I say, you have to start from somewhere for real, somewhere still, so, yeah.
How would you describe the drag racing scene here in Jamaica?
Nice.
Nice?
Yeah, nice, you know.
All right, hold up, Brenham.
And, you know, say, overseas, man, them come over here and them still come enjoy themselves, see, and then sister, we have a good shock and yeah, and them enjoy themselves and we deal with them as equal, just like if you go after them country same, they want to deal with us the same way, you understand? So as we say, we have to pick them up same way. If we come here, come make people, cause we, you know, say, well, some people come out to see them and then go and good and, you know.
Yeah. Despite the fact that you didn't make the grid, I wish you all the best on future events.
You know, we always prepare, you know, for always and next. Anyways, because you know, say, I feel look enjoyment, you know. You understand? So basically, nothing can change my mind or we want to get fed up because of something we love. Because as I say again, I don't smoke, I don't drink. This is look enjoyment. So even if I have a bad day with my car, I still have to go back and try to figure out my problem and try to come back and try to get there till one day it have to get better. You understand me? I say so you can't really give up so on this because you don't know say because you have a nice day today, next moment you carry wrong good and next moment you have a local issue. So you have to you can't just give up, you have to just take time and just bear it until you get over your problem and stuff. You understand? Yeah.
As I said, all the best to you and the rest of the championship.
Yeah.
And we look forward to seeing you on the track next time.
Yeah. We don't want I think we don't want to run we don't want to run a grudge match, but you know try to rain and see so.
You should go ahead and run the grudge match.
Yeah.
As long as it doesn't rain, I think you should.
If you rain really fall and they have a grudge match, I'll take up at me put down back my sticks them and go back out there. And really actually me really want to run a grudge match. You understand? So you watch and see what them I do.
Alright,
Yeah.
enough respect to you.
Yes,
and
man.
All the best.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.